wono njinanya go interact no sura nere igoro na naji to kama raiga crossnet kama raiga ke ate mheshimiwa na kwa minyokia antena hai jinsi ya jarengi na bona to impress peace.
Okay.
Ikibona ke kumalo je handshake yaringi gari there was nothing like go defect go and
handshake for just post election.
Post election gate nkamote irene mheshimiwa abantu bane barumba igwete ube intete no nyoje kutirimbo kagari oje ko sababa abantu bane okwabera igohono handshake yeyu abantu bande bamenyo kirie mitandao gari wa tena to defect na kitura defect no ano kwa suo nini tutara basuo nini kinkianya wapen intu to tene NYAMIRA magayo mheshimiwa moske Fredo Kengo Matiani.
Yes, please. Good. Tell me your side of the story.
Una wantu bate vile. You know, ekero una bate ekero tuachete. Tuarangire tunabagusi. Abagaka babagusi. Tukaumerana. Tuakwana yo unity yo mugusi. Tuakwana tubabate the experience we underwent. Chisegi twarwandu wikinde chamatimo. Ekinde chebisire. Tukabate una kiarenge. Then question gacha kuno muntu Christian tebiringa. Achendi achiringa kiti gatora surikira because aba muraba itobuna Chris gize konya bate nga ngoseri bari kurwase chikamati. Oyo minto senator Kongo ngoseri bari kurwase chikamati. Nyaribu nabwate case. The most urgent areas to attack to nga kitu address. Tugatiga waka professor bagusia banene senior politicians bagusia bagaka gusion speak kurusautu mugrango paka borabu na notu mugrango ega twa ni windu twakora twatebono inune bimwera siasa tigaba kabara kwana tukarworo tukagenda lanche ndo ate sebuna bamto ba tebire tugacha somewhere in Lavington tuikaranza kisa jemro obeiga tumaye ko nyara murabago we stood tugate naturwo bakate bono inu mwabera barai ekrote ngo mwabera barai tuikaranza tigambate bibaminto ekero musi arengi wikana nko ryale gichure kiminyo kegaso enyumba nkyali goitwa okyali gotibwa nyumba tari gokeria tigato tebeke aba murabe kero bachete one nje chafeti kwenye bandirie inso UDA mapema ona mukani tingo tumuka ngamoteri ngagentunkeyo nje yonte digoso nyumba yo mugusi yange ya UPA nkamukani ekonanya otago agusyoka ngaiwa ekero twate nangati gaturwa igabono ntuntu tikobore ndo bagambe na bagaba na bari ngo arati na nyaribo batenga yaya raki mwatuminyokia tukabateria right now even one say tekerenyo mheshimiwa Julius Marita igaumiete paka bona iganagendere tukuguna naenda tekurwariwa mheshimiwa tebe emiyo yasogeti una abana banka batete kumubita ekero bono batenga haki egintero kiabere magega tiatumirane tobahamu torenganaki batenga ya haki mwatumyokia bagaikanga mwatokoririe onye tari oke friend oke ngumatiani seye ya NYAMIRA bune nsengi mayabi njaye kobaiga namazikani radenya kundi
okay kore point yao
nyaye namazikani ya abagusiba bono ba minyakani baro kanire nsengi magroup ali sabana baitu bari abandu bari America abandu bari Europa abandu bari anywhere even Australia nasa mazikani abaminta abataturuga yo twagenda hell ntware ko nga nyuma ya matukata to na doje go defect kujara nkikerari
no retare kwa ver
ama twese aba Kristo utena utawa denga tuaverana
correctra impeachment yu warore impeachment ibere cha floppy njanya gweta eba kunya kuirore gente the same thing we expect different results yakundi ekinge yakoba because they need to sit down waisaransi no mugavana bakwane waigwanane barorenga yimbere ya chakete gutwitera kuruga bonye mbako igwanana ibintu ina bikwendera paka 2027 ende kende gyonsi keke koreka
they have succeeded como impeach the trial nere go chaka senate
bono wa succeeded como impeach lakini ibinto mbiro gali twaro china kio sina ba MCA bande ose basa ne ba kirtu ekura won tramanya to te resenet to kono na kia ba MCA bande baro ba kirtu without their knowledge ne nero ne limo choga wono gana into to te proceedings ye ne ndrete torore conclusion ya ne torona ki ba moimbi jeti through the right procedure kuruga wono abdu toko bor nyama swali to taberina ki aba MCA aba kerwa moimbi jeti solution ye county to nere.
All right. Muske Mous, do you think executive will function? Just in 1 minute, that can I go?
Executive they will function. You see, when the staff of the county government in the streets here and there, it is an indicator that the executive is not functioning. Number two, on this issue of the impeachment, that is an oversight product. Because once you oversight and find gaps, the only way you can address it is through impeachment, is through summoning the members of the CEC, on the gaps. So that is a legislative process, and the product was okay. It either negative or positive, they were the implication as a leadership of county government. As MCAs, I have not really interrogated the impeachment purpose. But I believe it is their right, they are within their right to impeach a governor because it's a constitutional mandate. But they went to go to make to scare the government. They went to go to make to cure losses. And if we say like in a table timbu at para, I can give an example. Ichunity buying center is only have a kilometer to give. But you have to leave Ichuni, Kenyere, Omanya Kwamboka, which 5 kilometers. Just in Mtorosetia Kalink Road, 500 meters. So when people are crying over road, then I cannot sit there and say this government is functioning. Because what people need from me is roads. When there is no road, then it means there is no function of county government.
We are Honorable Jackson Mousso, MCA, Mochore Wodi and Siongo, Honorable Chris Otie, Simo, Mamso Mochore Wodi.
Of the county assembly. From the happenings, people went personal. Instead of embracing the Lord's Choma MCA, they went to embrace their own personal interest. Naende bagatuara over Taiwan, they created a very huge gap between the assembly and the executive. Instead of integration, they divided the county government and the county assembly. This personal interest, and more particularly when the leader of the assembly is the speaker. The moment the speaker got excited, that's the end of a county assembly. The role of the speaker no accommodate functions of the assembly. That got excited. To make good decisions. Lakini tari part of the MCAs. It should be